Will it scrape? Ooh, light scrape. Will it scrape? Oh! Oh, that won't scrape at all. Busy day, folks. Will it scrape? No. This thing's definitely gonna scrape.
It's huge.
It scraped. Ladies and gentlemen, place your bets. Will it scrape? Oh, you damn well know it's gonna scrape. Oh, negative. Womp, 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 womp. What's up, guys? From Holland RV here in Palm Desert. We're checking out a almost $200,000 rig, so check it out with us.
This is a house. This is legit a house. Look at the size of the shower.
This is a walk-in closet, complete with safe. Lots of spot to put your stuff.
Oh, the room in the bathroom.
How did I miss the dishwasher?
Oh, look at the size of it too.
It's a pretty big dishwasher. The size of the TV. Fireplace. Has nice crown molding all throughout. Fans. Look at the size of this piece up here. A desk. Honestly, it would be the dream to live in something this size. You would not need a home. And you probably can't afford it for the 200 grand. Look at your wide stance. Look at your Weidman stance.